One important aspect of storage is your safety equipment, and your fire extinguishers is not the exception. So Boat Outfitter has these double fire extinguisher mounts that you can put anywhere in your boat. We're choosing to put ours inside of the console here, where it's away from the weather and salt water so they don't corrode, and also rarely available in case you do have a fire. You don't want to be digging through a floor hatch or a box somewhere to find your fire extinguishers, and I think keeping the boat nice and organized and everything has a place is really, really important.